In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sound like Kratos using ElevenLabs, step by step. If you've been looking to create a deep, powerful warrior-style voice for content, storytelling, game edits, or just for fun, this is going to help you get there fast. We'll use ElevenLabs' voice design tool to generate a Kratos-inspired voice, save it, and then select it inside your generation panel. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Voices. This is where you can browse, manage, and create voices for your account. After that, click Create Voice. When the creation window opens, choose Voice Design. This option lets you generate a brand new voice using written prompts instead of recording your own audio. Now this is the important part. In the prompt box, describe the type of voice you want as clearly as possible. For a Kratos-style voice, you can use prompts like deep, gravelly warrior voice with a calm, commanding tone. You can also try rugged, battle-hardened male voice with slow, deliberate speech, or powerful fantasy warrior with a low, resonant voice and stoic delivery. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results usually are. If the first version doesn't sound exactly right, don't worry. ElevenLabs will generate multiple variations, and you can preview each one before choosing. Listen carefully to the options and look for the voice that has that heavy, intimidating, legendary warrior feel. Once you find one you like, click Select Voice on that variation. After that, you'll be asked to name the voice and fill in the remaining details. Go ahead and enter the name as a Kratos, and add any required value or other details that ElevenLabs asks for. Then click Save Voice. At this point, your custom voice is now stored in your account and ready to use. If you want to use it in a generation, go to the right panel inside your creation or generation area, open the voice dropdown, and select Kratos from the list. From there, you can type your script, generate the audio, and hear your content spoken in a voice inspired by that intense warrior style. This is a really useful workflow if you want strong character narration, fantasy content, gaming videos, or cinematic voiceovers that need a deep and powerful tone. Just remember to keep experimenting with your prompt wording until you get the exact vibe you want. Small changes in phrasing can make a big difference in the final result. And that's it. You now know how to sound like Kratos using ElevenLabs. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.